Let's make these delicious, buttery, milky donuts without yeast. To a bowl, add sugar, orange zest, mix together for around 1 minute to allow the orange release its beautiful oils. As you can see, the color has changed. Now let's move to the next step. Add vanilla extract, melted unsalted butter, eggs, evaporated milk, and mix together until well combined. The list of ingredients, including measurements, is in the description bar below. Now add the dry ingredients, baking powder, and all-purpose flour. Sieve to remove any lumps. Mix together until well combined. If you like what you've seen in the video so far, kindly give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not. Thank you very much. Now cover and allow the dough to rest for around 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, make the dough into donut shape like so. To a saucepan, add your oil for frying, and let's flavor the oil by adding some orange zest. Allow to simmer for around 2 to 3 minutes on low heat. Once it's ready, add the donuts and fry on each side for around 3 minutes. And at this point, remove the orange zest. After 3 minutes, flip and continue frying. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, as it helps my channel grow. Thank you very much. At this point, the donuts are ready. Remove from the heat. Repeat the process until all the donut is prepared. To finish our delicious donuts, we would be coating it with sugar and cinnamon. This is optional, but again, it takes the donuts to the next level. These donuts are absolutely delicious, rich in orange flavor, rich in milky flavor, and of course, rich in buttery flavor. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you've watched until this point, let me know in the comments section if you tried this recipe. And until next time, remain blessed.